Hello friends, and welcome back to Mrs. Karnes and me. When most people visit Prague's Old Town Square, they stop to watch the famous astronomical clock and then continue on their way. But today, we're doing something completely different. We bought the all-inclusive ticket that takes us far beyond the clock itself, deep beneath the streets into medieval tunnels, through centuries-old halls where Prague's history unfolded, up the clock tower for some of the city's best views, and even inside one of the square's most beautiful churches. Come along with us as we explore Old Town Hall in Prague.
So we were just talking as we were walking through the city center square here in the Old Town. 3 weeks ago, we looked at the weather. It was supposed to be like 38 for a high and a chance of snow every day. But now, since we've been here every day, it's been like this. It's 57 degrees, sunshine, blue skies. Mrs. Karnes has a direct weather pipeline, I think, that goes straight up to you-know-where. And I'm glad she cashed it in for our trip. So we are at the Old Town Hall here, just next door to the world-famous Astronomical Clock. And we're about to go on a guided tour of the clock and the Old Town Hall.
And the underground and the tower.
Yeah. Underground and the tower, top to bottom on Mrs. Karnes and me.
We're now in the Old Town Hall. Hidden inside the Old Town Hall is a peaceful Gothic chapel. Easy to miss if you don't have this ticket, but one of the building's most beautiful spaces. Its stunning vaulted ceiling is worth a visit on its own. But then we discovered something even more special. Just beyond the chapel are the very statues of the apostles that appear in Prague's famous astronomical clock. Seeing them from behind the scenes gave us a whole new appreciation for one of the city's most iconic landmarks. As we wandered through the historic halls of the Old Town Hall, it was easy to imagine the centuries of history these walls had witnessed. Every room had its own character, with beautifully painted ceilings, ornate furnishings, and portraits that seemed to watch over it all. One of the things we loved most about this tour was that it just kept unfolding. Every doorway revealed something different. And just when we thought we'd seen everything, our guide surprised us by leading us beneath the streets of Prague. Hidden below today's busy Old Town Square is an entirely different world, one that's been preserved for centuries. As Prague grew, the streets above were gradually raised to help protect the city from flooding. Instead of tearing everything down, many of the original streets, rooms, and passageways were simply left behind. Today, walking through them feels like stepping back into medieval Prague. It's incredible to think that while thousands of people are exploring the square above, an entirely different Prague has been quietly waiting beneath their feet all this time. It turned out to be one of the biggest surprises of our visit. Most visitors come here for the astronomical clock. We never imagined one of our favorite parts of the tour would be hidden beneath it. Our final stop was the Astronomical Clock Tower. Visitors can make the climb using a series of ramps or take the elevator to the top. We opted for the elevator, and in just a few moments, we were rewarded with one of the most breathtaking views in all of Prague. And from up here, we could finally appreciate just how spectacular Prague's Old Town really is. Looking out over Prague, it was hard to believe everything we'd experienced in just one visit. From peaceful chapels and grand historic halls to hidden medieval streets beneath our feet, the Old Town Hall turned out to be so much more than just the famous astronomical clock. After seeing the Old Town Hall from every angle, inside, below, and now high above the city, there was only one thing left to do. We waited for the astronomical clock to mark the hour. It was pretty special to finally watch Prague's famous astronomical clock come to life, not just as another tourist attraction, but as the perfect ending to an unforgettable visit. Looking out from the tower, one building kept catching our eye. So naturally, we had to step inside. Standing on one side of Old Town Square, St. Nicholas Church is easy to admire from the outside, but stepping through its doors reveals a completely different experience. From the soaring dome to the elaborate Baroque artwork that seems to cover every inch of the interior, it was one of those places where we found ourselves looking up more than anything else.
So there are two St. Nicholas churches in Prague. This is the smaller of the two, but it's cool. They believe in Santa Claus enough to have two churches here named after him. Ha ha ha, that's a joke.
From Old Town Square, the Church of Our Lady Before Time seems impossible to miss, but finding the entrance is another story. Hidden behind a row of colorful buildings, you have to slip through a narrow passageway before the church finally reveals itself. Stepping inside felt like entering a completely different world. The busy square disappeared behind us, replaced by the quiet beauty of one of Prague's most iconic churches. With its soaring Gothic architecture, centuries-old artwork, and a peaceful atmosphere, it was the perfect place to slow down and reflect on another incredible day exploring Prague. From hidden medieval streets beneath the city, to breathtaking views above it, and finally to one of Prague's most iconic churches, this day reminded us that some of the best experiences are found when you take the time to look beyond the obvious. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us again next week as we sample some of the best foods Prague has to offer. We know that we are living the good life, and we hope that you are too. Not Zdraví!